Hello friends. Nowadays we see that everybody has taken up social media like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram or TikTok as a channel to promote their own talents, which is very good and positive. So for that purpose, LED ring lights come in very handy to light up the subject, whether you are doing cooking, painting, fashion or any other arts or crafts. So that today I'm gonna give you a unboxing and review of Digitech LED ring light 14C, which has a 5 feet stand and a mini tripod as well. It has 30 watt power output, and the intensity of the light can be varied with a remote provided along with the box. So without further ado, let's start the unboxing. So this is the box. Let's open it one by one. This is the ring light. This is the mobile holder. This is the pan and tilt adjuster. This is the mini tripod. And this is the big tripod. So that's it in the box. Now let's do the setup. This is the big tripod. Let's set it up. Let's check the pan and tilt adjuster. There is a cap on top of it. Let's open this cap and keep it the time being. Now let's take the light. It's better if you fix this first in the light and then attach the tilt adjuster here. Just fixing this. Now let's fix this. So once you set the tripod, according to your need, you can adjust the legs of it. You can put it wide open or you can just make it compact. And once you are done with the setting, you have to just tighten this screw so that the legs doesn't move. Okay. So once you tighten the screw, it will not move now. Just tighten it. That's it. Is that okay? And as you can see this is set up, but now it is moving freely. So as per your need, you can just tighten. Now as you can see, I have placed it in the floor and I will adjust the height of it. Tighten it. So there are different screws here. You can just open it and tighten it up. I will plug it with an adapter and I will show you the light intensity. Now as you can see, I have plugged the wire in an adapter and fixed it to the power source, and now with this remote I can turn the light on. Light is on. Let me switch off my interior of lights so that you can see the power fluctuations and the power of the intensity of this light. Now I have switched off the entire room lights. Now only this light is turned on. Now I will show the intensity by reducing and increasing the intensity of this light. So white and yellow. These two modes are available and the intensity can be varied. So that's it. From here, let me turn on the light back. Along with this box, we have got this mobile holder. So I will show you how to connect this mobile holder in the light. So here is the input. And just fix it. Just turn it like this. And modify it. And you can just pull it and attach your mobile here. And also along with this, we have got this mini tripod. Just open the front cap, and in a similar fashion, you can open this one in the slide and fix it with this mini tripod and set it up like this and put it in a table and use it for your focusing purpose. So that's it. Yeah, the price of this is $13.97, which I got it from Amazon. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel.